Hello and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. Doge has now reacted to the support zone, and we see quite a substantial reaction actually. Today the entire market is, let's call it, rather friendly. Bitcoin also going up, most altcoins going up after the harsh sell-offs that we've seen. So this is now a real opportunity for the market to turn around. Obviously it's too early to confirm that we're actually turning around. But we've seen the reactions we wanted to see to various support zones. Some charts are broken. Many are still holding support. Bitcoin has been holding support and Doge as well. The ideal target for this B wave based on the internal wave structure was around the 9-cent mark. It's not only the 61.8 retracement, which is just one of the key levels for a B wave pullback, but it was also based on the internal structure, taking the length of the A wave. And again, we did say it can be debated where the wave A low was, here or here. So depending on where we assume the wave A low, we get a different 100% extension target. But based on the low, it was the 9-cent level. So we've had a couple of fib levels here, but that was mentioned in the previous video. Just something to watch, and confluence of support or confluence of Fibonacci support can oftentimes lead to a bounce at least, or a reversal. So now we see that reaction. Zooming into the detail, we now have to be watching a few levels. So first of all, when can we confirm a low is in? Well, that will take a while. I mean, I need to see a break above the, minimally above the last high here at, let's say, 12.9 cents. First resistance is between 11.3 and 12 cents, and then a break above this trend line, which would come along with a break of resistance and a break above the last high there at 12.9 cents. I mean, all of those are confirmation levels, right? But really it is a 5-wave move up and a higher low in the subsequent pullback that will be really good confirmation that we've bottomed. Do we see a 5-wave move up actually? Yes, I think we do. And that's what makes this interesting. This is not only a corrective rally, it looks potentially impulsive. Because we have a small 1, 2, this could be a 3, 4, and 5 might be in the making. We might even say that the 3 was here and the 4 here, and we're now in the 5th. That's not so important. Bottom line is we have a possible 5-wave move up, and we can be watching for continuation of the uptrend. The first decent pullback, however, will be the stress test, as always, right? And I will only add a support area once we have a top in place. I mean, if we now get a pullback from here, okay, we can add it. I mean, it's just, it will have to be moved with the price. You know, it can't be fixed at this stage. It's not a stable support zone. You might hear the dog in the background. It's not a fixed support zone until we get a top in place. But if a pullback happens now, not telling you it is, but, you know, we're now approaching resistance, and obviously after a 5-wave move up, it always gets more probable that we get some kind of a pullback. Then the pullback zone is between 9.6 cents and 10.4. As I said, this will have to be moved up with the price as we go higher. However, it means that whatever the price is doing now, I mean, even if this moves higher, right, it should certainly not break below 9.6 cents anymore. If it does, it indicates new lows are coming. And also a break below the last swing low here, what I've labeled as wave 4 in yellow, 10.7 cents. That would be a first indication that actually this corrective pullback has started, or at least some kind of a pullback. If it's corrective, we will have to see, but certainly a good reaction to the, let's call it target zone down here. And also is trying to stretch, you know, above the support zone already. But yeah, pay attention to the next pullback. It needs to end above 9.6 cents, or likely new lows are coming. But there's no indication a low is in now. So I gave you also the key trigger level that would confirm that a pullback is unfolding. That's it basically. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.